This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a fast landing in PUBG. To begin, ensure you jump precisely when the plane is directly above your target location. Immediately after jumping, point your character straight down. This action allows you to reach the maximum dive speed of 234 kilometers per hour very quickly. Your parachute will then automatically deploy when you are approximately 234 meters above the ground, setting you up for a swift descent. To truly master your landing, focus on maintaining that optimal dive speed of 234 kilometers per hour. If your target is slightly off, you can use the wiggle technique by moving your joystick or mouse left and right rapidly. This helps you cover more horizontal ground while still descending quickly. For ultimate precision, consider manually deploying your parachute a bit earlier than the automatic deployment, giving you more control over your final approach. Selecting the right landing zone is crucial for a fast start. Always aim for a clear spot, such as a rooftop or an open patch of ground, that is free from trees or other obstacles that could slow you down. This ensures you hit the ground without delay. While it might be tempting to go for high loot areas, consider avoiding extremely crowded zones if your priority is a quick and safe initial loot, rather than an immediate fight. The key to consistently fast landings is practice. Dedicate time in each match to refine your jump and dive technique, adapting to different plane paths and target locations. Pay attention to how your dive angle affects your speed and trajectory. Once your feet hit the ground, move swiftly to grab essential weapons and armor. A quick landing combined with efficient looting gives you a significant early-game advantage over other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.